Come on the next questions here. Given that tan A is equal to 4 upon 3, find the other trigonometric ratios of angle A. We have given angle A, means this angle is given to you. Okay. When tan, sine, cos, tan, all the things are given, it means we have given one right triangle. Angle A is given to you. Okay, this is your right triangle. Getting? Angle A is given, and one more thing it is given to you. Here, angle B is equal to 90 degree, it is also given to you. Angle B is 90, angle A is given to you. Okay, you have to find all trigonometric angles like sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. See here. What is given here? What is given? Tan A. What is meaning of tan A by Pandit Badri Prasad? Pandit Badri Prasad, har bole, sona chandi tole. What is meaning of tan? That is P upon B. That is your P upon B. And what is given to you P upon B is 4 upon 3. Let I put this 4 upon 3. That is perpendicular is 4, right? Like it is BC. And base is AB. Okay. But it is given in ratio. So what will be the length of BC? I have to introduce some constant here. That is BC. The length of BC will be 4K. It is your 4K. Don't put directly 4 there. Okay. Because it is given in ratio. We have to convert in like a measurement. Likewise, if we have given A ratio B, it is 3 ratio 4. Then what will be the length of A? That time we are taking 3x and 4x. Here it is given to you 4 ratio 3. That time you have to take 4k and 3k. You can take any number, any alphabet of this, but for our convenience I am taking k here. Now come on. We know that the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? H square is equal to b square plus p square. H square equal to b square plus p square. What is base here? See, at where two angles lie on the side of a triangle, that is base. 3k. What is perpendicular? This is 4k is perpendicular. 3k and 4k. What is square of 3k? It is 9k square. It is 16k square. If I take square root of it, this will be 25k square. Square root of 25k square will be 5k. Getting? Now, what is sine A? According to this Pandit Badri Prasad, sine A is what? P upon H. P upon H. What is P? P is your 4k and H is your 5k. 4k upon 5k. This will be 4 upon 5. What is cosec? Just reciprocal of it. 5 upon 4. Directly you can write. What is cos A? B upon H. Here is B upon H. See here. B upon H. What is B? It is your 3k. H is 5k. K to k cut. This is 3 upon 5. What will be sec? 5 upon 3. Tan A. It is given to you. Tan A. 4 upon 3. What will be? 3 upon 4. Like this way, you can solve, you can find out. If we have given any one ratio, you can get all the trigonometric ratio with help of this method. This is very important one, easy one. Take care it. Now come on the next question.